and we're here to talk to Alka, who's going to tell us about their customizable handbag. How are you doing?
Very fine, thank you.
Okay, good. First, can I ask about what's the deal with the name Doubleu?
Yes, actually we were going in for an image for our bag, which we say it's a lifestyle image. It is weightless, weightless, wearable and washable, the 3 W's that are very important for us. And of course, wow.
Wow,
Yes.
Which has 2 W's in it.
Yes,
okay,
yes, it does.
but so we've come specifically to ask you about your handbags.
Thank you.
I can see one right there.
Yes.
What's the deal?
What we get different from handbags in our, let us say, in our company is to change the way people make handbags and to change the way the interactive experience of buying a handbag is. What I would like to tell you here is, you can see the yellow bag that I'm holding with me right now. This would be my morning look, something that is a little casual, it is a little, let us say, young and fresh. In the evening, I can just turn and I can change my handbag like this one and use maybe a little bit more upscale accessory or something different to make it a little bit more interesting. How do I go about doing this? It is very simple. I can show it to you from inside with just a flick of a hand, like opening a bottle head. There you go. And that's it, as simple as this. And you can just remove the accessory. So this is what makes our bag very, very versatile. When was the last time you could do that? You buy just one bag, as I can show you here. This one is a very simple bag, and you can change this bag on the basis of every season. So it can become a winter bag, or you can also make it into a very summer, linen or a very casual bag. So we're giving you one bag that can become 4 or 5 bags depending on how you're feeling that day, what is the season, and how creative you feel.
Wow, so we're talking about, so is it, there's kind of one base unit and then, for example, this edge part is a separate component you can get?
That is right. We have 3 or 4 different components. I will show you how we sell these components. So we have something like this. This is how we sell you handles. So you can decide how you want the handle of your bag to be. Would you like it to be a long handle so that the bag can come somewhere around your waist, which is something like this? So this is a longer handle which you can buy separately, or you can get yourself a metallic chain handle, which would be your evening bag, or just a short handle like the one that we are looking over here. So as I was telling you before, all the accessories are sold separately. So this is what we call the base or a bucket of a bag. Once you have a base, from this you can build and make it a different bag by different handles and different inner pouches as well. Another exciting component that we have done in our bag is a liner or a collar, as we call it, and this one over here. So as in winters you wear a coat, you get your bag to warm up as well. So we have a artificial fur liner. I would like to say that all our products are vegan, so we have no
animal-derived products, right?
Animal-derived products, thank you very much, yes. And of course, something very light and summery over here. We will be updating our collection with a lot of accessories so that the very same bucket that you have can become more versatile in every season and occasion.
It's fantastic. So, yeah, what material is the bucket itself made from?
This is a very interesting story. The bucket over here is made from a polyolefin compound. What do I mean by polyolefin compound? Well, it is a patented recipe that we have where EVA is one of the components. The special thing about this bag is, this component is that it is a cross-link compound. What is a cross-link compound? It does not react with ultraviolet rays, which basically means that unlike PU and other materials, this does not yellow with age. It remains vibrant white, or the rest of the colors as you see over here will always be a vibrant orange or a yellow or a turquoise. They do not fade. You can leave it in the sun, you can leave it in the beach, salt water, come home with a little bit of water and soap, you can wash it, it's as good as new once again.
Wow, and is this all made from the same compound? Because this looks distinctly different.
This is all made from the same compound, thank you so much for noticing. Basically, to give you a different look to the bag, what we've done is, this is what you say as it comes out of the mold, so it has a very tactile and a very elegant finish. Then we wanted to play with it and give you a different product, so we used metallic blades and we teased the surface of the bag. So this is what gives it a very spectacular hand-brushed finish. So this is a completely handmade product, you need very skilled artisans to do this product over here. So I would love to show this one to you in a grey, which is absolutely fabulous. This one, it's very understated and it is extremely elegant, an all-occasion bag.
Yeah, get a quick zoom in on that. That's really incredible. It's very hard to believe looking around here. This is all based on the same basic component.
Thank
It's
so much.
quite the design job.
We would also like to add that this is a very good travel companion, because one of the most, which I'm sure a lot of female viewers would support me on this, is a nightmare that you go through with your accessories that you carry when you're traveling. So this is an optimum travel bag once again, because you can just go home or you can go to any destination wherever you are, and your bags do tend to get dirty, because when you're going through the airport securities, when through the various security checks, when you're in the aircraft itself, if somebody has the bag in the overhead locker, you know how it is. If somebody puts a trolley next to it, your bag goes for a toss. Not over here. You just go back to the hotel with a little bit of soap and water, you wash it, and you're good to go again. So it's an easy travel companion.
Right, fantastic. Now you mentioned you have some sort of future plans for other accessories. Can you reveal anything about what those might be?
Yes, because since this bag really brings out the creative in you, because it is completely, let's say, a knocked out. It is completely customizable is what I'm trying to get. So we can have different kind of handles over here, different kind of liners. We are also looking for a completely different skin for the bag. So please wait and watch. Follow us.
All right, there you go. So yeah, there you go. One bag, well, more than one bag. As soon as you've got more than one set of accessories, you'd have to do the maths to work it out exactly.